Finally, I'd like to show you how to view and read historical data. So one of the best things about Shipshape is that it is a record for your home. Just like you have a health record that goes with you from doctor to doctor, you have a home health record that can be used to diagnose current problems or potential problems with Shipshape. For each appliance, there is a record of what has been done in the past and what issues have occurred. So let's look at our test pump, and let's look at the history. So far, there's no history, but this appliance will show us a variety of different events. I'm going to jump over to an appliance that has a detailed event history so that we can see what that would look like. So in this case, you can see all the status changes associated with this dehumidifier. This will help your installer or service team find problems and address them more quickly. Here's an example of the data that you can see from your appliance on the Analytics tab. In this case, we can see the energy consumption, the emissions, and the energy cost for this appliance over time. We can also see how the humidity has changed over time, the power consumption has changed, and whether the appliance was on or off at given moments. Seeing this information helps the homeowner and Shipshape and the service provider do whatever is best for the home. For example, the humidity here is showing spikes at 70 and sometimes 80%. If a crawl space is at a humidity level that's higher than 70% for a long period of time, the probability that it develops mold goes up. Knowing this, Shipshape may recommend that the homeowner do a crawl space encapsulation or some kind of vapor barrier in order to protect the crawl space from developing mold, which will be much more costly down the road.